Yeah. You want? Mm-hmm. Okay.
I started recording when you said, "Hey, baby."
What's up with y'all? It's your boy Jose. It's my wife Ellie. Yeah, man. We got a package from Amazon. We're gonna see what we got right here. Hopefully, this is what we've been waiting for to make this YouTube adventure a little bit easier for both of our channels. It's on Ellie and Jazz, right?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Straight like that. All right, man. So we got this. This is a gimbal. If I'm saying it right, it takes your phone and you set it in there, and it's like it has like a gyroscope. So you can turn it this way, turn it that way, and the phone never loses focus. And it also, I think it has a auto focus on it. It says 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal for smartphone. Max payload is 280 grams, 600 degrees, inception mode, and it has a trigger button for sport mode and recenter. You want to open it, baby?
So, for everybody who didn't know what the hell he said, it's good for vloggers.
Or people who shoot in gun ranges and can't record themselves.
True.
This guy. Littering. Oh, it comes in a nice little case. Okay. Presentation. That's a nice little presentation right there.
Yeah.
Now, I always have to have an issue with something. Why couldn't they put a handle on it somewhere? I carry a backpack majority of the places I go. Gun range, work, zoo with the wife and kids. And man, it'd be nice to not have to have a backpack or something to put this in, but that's not that bad. What you think, baby? 8 out of 10? It's got a nice,
Presentation
soft.
is perfect, yeah.
Nice and soft. Nice and soft. I don't know what the hell it says though. Hohim?
Yeah, that's what I think.
Hohim?
Hohim.
Alright.
Instructions.
Rat poisoning. Keep that away from the kids. Hopefully it ain't a bunch of stuff that we gotta put together.
Warranty card.
Definitely gonna use that. When you got kids, you gotta make sure that you fill all your warranty stuff and send it in, because kids is very destructive.
That's the port.
She's got a little rubber band on the little 12-inch micro USB.
I guess this is the stand for it.
And I think this is USB type C. So that's actually the speed charge. So that's a good thing. Okay.
Dun 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 dun.
Alright, so gotta figure this out. I think, if I'm not mistaken, hey YouTube, I YouTubed this before I bought it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think we have to screw this onto the bottom of here temporarily to stabilize it.
Temporarily?
Yeah, to stabilize it, because it's technically handheld, so that goes like that. I think. Oh. and you gotta balance it.
I think the only thing that could have made this a little better would have been like a remote.
What's that?
I mean, it has this right here to control this, but if I'm recording over there and I needed to see me here, so I don't have to get up and press play, it just, little remote would have been a little bit more convenient.
Well, listen here, little missy. That's when you use your editing skills and you edit all of the back and forth and back and all that stuff out. Okay. Okay. All right. So, you know, guys normally always takes the second time around. So, my smart self decided to put the buttons in first. All right. So.
There should be a way that you should be able to tighten that little switchy thingy. What's this little button, this little thing right here?
That's to lock down that arm.
Right here.
You see?
I don't know. Don't judge me.
Alright, so this is about another now. Okay.
Read the instructions, people.
Uh-huh. Ha ha ha.
You figured it out?
You darn right, Skippy, I did. Okay, so yeah, this has got to be loosened up.
Power on.
Don't be going crazy with me.
I'm sorry, did it just do a dance or what the hell is that?
Yeah, did something. I'll pour you off right quick. There we go. Yeah. So,
okay, so
I think I gotta balance this.
what
right
was
here.
the dance thing? It was that to get it to stay at 1 degree without the rotating part?
I don't know. It could have been calibration.
Two. True.
All right, so this has Bluetooth.
What?
Yeah, straight like that.
Say what? Okay. What's it doing?
Oh, I'm trying to see if I can find it. Oh yeah, smartphone gimbal. There it is. And that makes it nice and easy too, because it'll sit there and see what we got here, man.
This is too
All right,
smart.
it says
for me.
connected.
This is too smart for me. I'm gonna need one that's a little dumber.
Yeah, man. That's tight work. All right, so let me see. Hit that trigger.
What's the trigger for again?
I don't even know.
I'm gonna need you to read the instructions. Okay, let's read. Okay, the trigger button. Press on for your sport mode. Here. Mode. And power on, power off.
Okay. Okay.
All right, all right, all right.
That's not too bad.
It's pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Uh-huh. Straight like that. You know what? Oh, I'm pretty strong, man, and
Did you break it?
no, but it does seem to be a little heavy though.
Is it?
Oh look, it's got the like it's got a battery.
Papa, that's not heavy.
I mean, if you hold it out all the way, go put it out. Your arms are short. Whatever. It does have IR scanners on top of here, So I'm guessing what you can do is you can actually go through here, and if you have one of these platforms, it's got the Google Play Store, Apple Play Store, YouTube, that's Instagram, right? Instagram and Facebook. And if you scan that QR scanner, it'll most likely bring up some type of demo video or something like that for you.
So my thing is, how do I get this thing to record? I'm trying to record. Hello. I'll be pressing buttons. You don't know. Balancing the smartphone. Adjust the arm. Right and left. Adjust the phone. Holder. Right and
You
left.
see? No matter which way you move, it somewhat, I'm probably moving too damn fast, but it somewhat holds the 0. So,
Did you find out how you get it to record?
no. You got the instruction.
It doesn't say nothing about how to turn it on to record. It tells you how to charge it, how to mount it,
You know something?
balancing.
Let me turn this off right fast. Turn it off right quick. Because what I just realized you cannot have
Your case on.
your case on. That's probably why you can't get the complete balance.
Okay.
So you do that.
Calibration mode. You hold it for longer than 6 seconds.
Okay. Let's see. All right, so
Joystick
go.
in reverse.
There we go.
How many dummies does it take? Hmm?
So now you take a couple on.
Now hit record.
Ooh.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hey, what the hell?
Hello. Oh yes, this lighting though.
You ain't gonna tell them what you're recording on?
I am recording on the gimbal.
I think it does.
So how do I keep it here and then move it? Oh, wrong way. Whoa, hello.
Chill! This is tight work.
I think I'm pulling it down. Let me see.
And as you guys can see, but you gonna put me in this camera right quick, man.
Oh
yeah.
no, I'm just like
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Look at my watch. Yeah, man. So, hold on. Thumbnail. There it is. All right, so don't be judging us. I'm gonna have to read this and see exactly how to use this thing. And majority of our videos is gonna be coming from this, especially when you guys see me in the gun range. So, yeah. So when you guys see me in the gun range, boom, there it is. Look at that, man. I like that. Yeah, don't judge. The paintings, yeah, we've had them for years.
I'm gonna need you not to show the roof.
Man, these things, they kind of tight work though. You see? Okay. I'm gonna have to figure this out though. Little green buttons on the side. Well, anyways, I appreciate you all stopping in. Check this video out. My wife Ellie, your boy It's Jose. Make sure y'all stop in and check out Ellie and Jazz. Mukbangs, girl talk. more girl talk. And they do a lot of family stuff as well. They're a little educational. Stop in, check them out. Appreciate y'all.